Assalamu alaikum. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Today I will show how to make this object in 2D in AutoCAD software. This is the basic 2D drawing. So at first I am click on this plus sign for tracking the new drawing. Okay, before starting here I am going the previous one. Here we are watching this portion is the radius is 2.6 I mean 2 feet 6 inch total is the radius is 30 inch and this radius is 10 inch and the distance from here to here is 40 inch I mean 3 feet 4 inch and this one is the 1.30 I mean 1 feet 3 inch means 15 inch and the distance horizontal distance from here to here is 5 inch and total distance from here to here is 90 inch I mean 7 feet 6 inch and from here to here the distance is 40 inch means 3 feet 4 inch and the radius of this circle is 6 inch and this circle radius is 7.5 inch and this one radius is 4 feet 2 inch total 50 inch. So at first I am going here before going here I am selecting the standard, going to the modify and I am selecting this one is the engineering and I am selecting up to this and going to the text I am taking it 2.5 inch text and I am taking the symbol is 2.5 inch also and I am going to the lines I am not taking and going to the here and OK close. Then I am taking the layer LAYER layer, going to the new and selecting the dimension DIMENSI1 dimension SI1 dimension and taking the color. I am taking this color. No, I am taking this color. This color is better. Okay, done. Then at first I am going here and select the circle and center and radius circle, sketch it. I am taking first circle is 30 inch radius. Okay, you are watching. Then another circle I am taking from here should be also. If you want to select the diameter, then you click here. Your diameter is select. When it will be select diameter, then click here. Otherwise, you take the command 10 inch, which will be the radius of this circle. Okay, done. Then the two things, this one and this one is done. Then I am taking this circle which is distance from here to here is 40 and the horizontal distance from here to here is 5 inch. So I am going to the polyline or type the PL, then going here start. For a straight line we can select the ortho is select for a straight line. Then I am taking it up to 40 inch and go here and it will be 5 inch. Right button is click and enter. Then I am taking the circle for diameter is radius is 15 inch. Okay, done. Then up to this portion is clear. Then we sketch this one. You are watching, this is matching, smoothly matched to this point and this point. This is very important part. So we can take it. When you will see the matching part, then you think that here used in 1010 radius, 1010 command is used. We will also use if there is no radius, then we have to draw this way. At first line command is select, you can select from here or type the L, enter. Then going here and take the 10 TAN 10, then enter. Then create this portion in this way. It will be show this pointer and click on this anywhere of the circle and go here again, command the 10 TAN 10, then see the pointer. This will be changed. Pointer 10 radius pointer is showing. So click anywhere of this circle. I am click here. It will be already automatically matching to this circle. Then the distance from here to here, total distance is 90 inch, and so we will draw it first. I am going to the line command, or we can take it the polyline. Before going here again, we are going to this one. Up to this is 90 inch, and this portion is 7.5 inch the radius. I mean total is 15 millimeter is 15 inch is radius. So we will draw up to this portion. That's why I am selecting the polyline or PL, enter. Then click from this line, going here up to 90 inch, enter. Then right button is click and select the arc, and this arc it will be 15 inch. Okay, right button is click and take the line command and draw a line without dimension up to this. I am taking it up to this. Okay, right button is click, then enter. Then you are watching this smoothly curved. Smoothly curved means you think that they are used the 10 radius, and here radius is 4 feet 2 inch, total 50 inch. 50 inch. I mean 4 8j equal 48 and plus 2, total 50 inch. So we have to use the 10 radius here. That's why we have to select. We can go the circle and select the 10 radius. At first click on this circle at any point, another click on this line any point, then enter the 50 inch. Okay, done. Create the circle. Then we are going to the trim command, and right button is click, then click, then click. Which portion we don't need, we will trim it. Okay, done. Okay, done. Right button is and escape. Then select it, delete, select it and delete. Then we are watching this portion. We can write it, we can draw it by polyline. So for drawing this, we can select the polyline. We go here and go to the up to this point and taking the 6 inch, enter. Okay, this point is created. Then we go there up to 40 inch. Right button is click, select the arc, and it will be 12 inch. Total diameter is 12. So I am taking it total 12. Then right button is click and line command again 40 inch. Then right button is click and select the arc and join to this point. Skip. Skip. Okay, you are watching it. Then I am selecting the determine the dimension. First I am going here and select the linear. Linear dimension at first I am selecting from this portion to this circle to this circle distance is 3 feet 4 inch, total 40 inch. And before going here, I am selecting the delete it. I am selecting the dimension color. I am taking this dimension color. So linear dimension is taken, and the distance from here to here it will be 3. I mean this color is not good, so I am changing this one. Okay, before going here Again layer is selected, layer, and going click on the surface and taking this one. Okay, color is changed. Okay, then we can take again this portion and distance from here to here. Horizontal distance is 5 inch and the distance from here to here total is 7 feet 6 inch, I mean 90 inch, and the distance from here to here is 40 inch, I mean 3 feet 4 inch. Then I am going here, select the radius, and this portion is 7.5 inch, I mean 7 feet 7.5 inch radius. Total dia is 15 inch. So, and another radius is here 6 inch, and again select this, and this radius is 4 feet 2 inch. 4 8 equal 48 plus 2 inch, total 50 inch, and this radius is 30 inch, I mean 2 feet 2 12 equal 24 and 6 total 30 inch radius, and this radius is 10 inch. Okay, done. Every dimension is given here. I think you have learned by this video by these topics. If you are benefited, please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.